So right now we're gonna call a recovery to pick up this car and take it to the showroom. Give us a little bit of information about the sajaa, which we are going to drop this bonnet. I'm not sure how did you bought it. And we came here to check this cars, guys. As you can see, there's like 2-3 lines of the cars which they park each of them top of each. And yeah, I think most of them will be garbage, no value for the parts. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Azool from Azool channel. So today I saw my video in my friend Samir garage. As you can see, this is the same GS. This is the GS which accident on the right side. I'm gonna show a video how was the accident. So right now we finished complete this car. Today Samir called me and he told me, he said there's a problem on the headlight because the bulb, the xenon, the HID doesn't work. He said it worked, but after some time it's gonna do some blinking and after that it will be off. So right now I came here to make sure if that is the same problem. If yes, I'm gonna change the bulb. And after that, of course, you have to go and pick up the 460 from the car wash. Let's go, we're gonna start our video. First of all, we're gonna check this car, how exactly they work from this, and we'll see what exactly the problem for the bulb. Let's go. So the only problem right now, they have it for the xenon bulb. So I'll come as soon as possible to change that as well. So today my friend called me in the early morning, not exactly in the morning, he called me at night. He said, I need to borrow your car. Because no one asked for my car anytime. So this is the first time, and this is the reason, guys. So before, like 2 days ago, my friend, this is, of course, this is also my friend Samir Mini Cooper car. So before 2 days ago, he bought a bonnet, and the bonnet had a problem, damage. So in that time, he couldn't see. So right now, he is asking me to bring my car to fit this bonnet, to take it back to the same place which he bought it. And we're gonna see if we can fit it properly. Yeah, I can see it. We're gonna fit it properly, no issue. Yeah, it fit?
Yeah, it fit.
Okay, good. Give us a little bit of information about the sajaa, which we are going to drop this bonnet. I'm not sure how did you bought it. Once we reach in there, I'm gonna show you the way they fix the bonnet. And my friend Samir, how long he's working on this business, still he didn't figure it out to check the parts before he buy. He believes so much on the people. Except me, you don't have to believe anyone. Okay, tell me.
This bonnet, I buy it, the cart was up. He said it's very clean. And he gave me good price even.
Okay.
Okay. I see one bonnet down in the shop. It was damaged. I said I don't want this. He said I have one very clean. I'll give you the same price. I said okay, give me. I look at the car. It was up.
Okay.
Look at that. I said it's very good, very clean. I'll take it. I pay him the money without I'll check.
Without you checking. And yeah. They send a pickup to bring it in here.
Yeah.
So okay, so let me give you a little bit details about the place we are going. And the place we are going almost I think 20-25 kilometers away from the city. And if there's no rush, we will be lucky we can reach it easily in 40 or 45 minutes. The place we are going, it's really organized, guys. We have lots of parking. The place is kind of clean. Okay, so once we reach there, then I'm gonna explain you more about the sajaa. This is a really amazing place. Let's go. We're going. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's go, and we're gonna start the video. 5 minutes away from the sajaa, and I really forgot. Sajaa is the same place which most of the car auction, most of the crash car auction is there. So the first video I make, and I really love it and get a lot of views, guys, it's on the same place, sajaa. That's the live auction in Dubai video, guys. Make sure to check that video as well. So right now we are on the main entrance for that place. Let's go. 5 So right now we've reached on the place, guys. We have to return the bonnet. Before we return the bonnet, I want to open it and show you where exactly was the damage, guys. Like, I don't know how my friend bought this part. And the other thing is, just catch my eyes, guys, the design, the signboard they put it of the spray BMW and Mini Cooper. That's a not good sign to buy from this place, guys. Let's help them. Yeah. Okay. This is the bonnet he bought it. I'm not sure how my friend bought this bonnet. What? Okay, so we finished from this place. Actually, my friend take his money back, not all of them. Like, he left 100 dirham. I'm not sure why. What's the reason you left 100 for him? So we was going to search for other parts from this place, guys, and we came here to check this cars, guys. As you can see, there's like 2-3 lines of the cars which they park, each of them top of each. And yeah, I think most of them will be garbage, no value for the parts. I didn't notice one car. I think that's the Hyundai, the SUV one, and the top one, I'm not sure. This is, I think, the Ford Focus. I think this will be the Chevrolet, something like that.
That one?
That's the Honda Civic, the first one. Go front. Okay, no value for the parts. No one care about those cars. We have the Hyundai, and this red one, it looks also like Santa Fe, Kia.
Yeah.
Which Kia is that?
Sportage.
Sportage. And we have the Chevrolet as well in here, the LS. And let's move on, Samir. And that's another Hyundai as well. Wallister, the blue one. Yeah, I love this one. And this is which one? The old.
This one I don't know.
No, this is a
Hyundai even.
That's Sonata. That's also Sonata.
This.
I'm not sure which one is this.
Genesis.
Genesis, yeah.
No, not Genesis.
So do you think this is all like value on the parts, or no? They're gonna turn it to scrap and sell it as a metal part, as a garbage thing?
I think this is the owner right here.
This is the owner. Okay.
So full. Sure.
Okay, so this is Sajaa, guys. It's amazing the way they organize all the place and the amount, the parking we have in here, guys. Believe me, believe me, guys, we have a place on in the middle of the city, and it's so much hard to find the parking. Sometimes, like, our own people who walk in here, they cannot find their parking. But this is amazing, the space they have in here, and of course everything organized. And well, okay, whenever you want to visit this place, you always gonna find the parking. So they have maybe other bonnet, this one.
I don't think so.
This one. So this is the second place we came to check if we can find the bonnet. Actually, I'm not sure why my friend didn't buy from the beginning from this place. As you can see, most of them are Mini Cooper, and these guys are specialists in Mini Cooper, and there's no like spray signboard for Mini Cooper. So yeah. So in this place they have Mini Cooper, and this is the Smart as well. So Smart also goes on the what do you call, Mercedes company, and yeah, most of them. And I think Mini Cooper is for the BMW and Smart for the Mercedes. But actually this place have both of those items. Yeah. They went to the office to check how much it will be for the bonnet. We're gonna go with him and see. Yeah. So almost finished from this place as well. So we didn't do the finalize because of the two things, the price and the bonnet was not complete at all. So right now we're gonna go back to the Sharjah, because in my area, in this number 6, nearby our shop, maybe 2 minutes by walk, we have 2 places which sell all Mini Coopers, and this Samir didn't tell me, so I can go and check the place. He just bought from here, and he bought the damaged one. So right now we're gonna go to industry number 6. We're gonna check the shop near our shop. So right now we're gonna go to our area. We're gonna check the place. We're gonna check the Mini Cooper place which are nearby my shop. And the other thing is, we forgot the 460. We have to pick up the 460 from the car wash, right? What do you think? First of all, we're gonna go to the car wash. We'll check the 460 properly. If they clean it properly, then we're gonna go and pick it up. If not, we're gonna say clean it properly. We're gonna pick it after 4 o'clock. Yeah, so right now we reached the car wash. Let's see what exactly they done to the car. First of all, why they put plastic? I hate the plastic.
I tell him.
Let's begin to inspect this car. We'll see how exactly they done the polishing and the cleaning from inside. The first thing, Samir, this is from the paint, I think, yeah. So we're gonna begin from the body condition. We'll see how is the polish from the body. Then after that, we're gonna check from interior. Good?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go. We check the car properly, guys. From the body is good, the polish is kind of good. From the engine, they polish very good, but from the interior, kind of I don't like it because they use lot of those, like I will tell you, the oily sprays. Most of them are really cheap and not good for the leather, guys. Except that everything is good, and as I can see, my friend is happy, Samir. So that's the reason they say, okay, thumbs up. Let's take the car to his showroom, which is located in Sharjah and Souk Al Haraj. But we're not gonna drive this car. So right now we're gonna call a recovery to pick up this car and take it to the showroom. The car looks amazing, and thumbs up. I'm not sure what will be the price for the car. My friend asking. I'm gonna ask him inside. And yeah, nothing to say, guys. Let's go back to the car. So today we did a lot of stuff. The main thing is the 460 is finished. We are so happy the 460 finished. There's still some problem, but my friend doesn't care about that anyway, guys. So for those people who watch my videos about the 460 from the beginning, make sure to comment down below in this video. Tell me how much do you think we spent on the car, how much do you think we bought the car, and the end of that, I hope so, how much we're gonna make profit selling that car, guys. So right now I'm gonna end my video right now in here. So make sure to comment down below and tell me how much do you think we're gonna make profit. For today, guys, I'm really tired. I have some other work to do, so I'm gonna end my video right now in this place. So if you guys like this kind of video, make sure to comment down below so I can notice, and I'll try my best to make this kind of videos more. Thank you so much. Like always, peace.